have a lot of goodies. Can I get the merchandise? The merchandise, we want to give nearly everybody here something. See, you have been patient, and we want to bring the next comedian. But before that, there is this beautiful organization that has been lifting and giving hope to the society. Inaitwa aje? Inaitwa aje? Wengi wenu mmevaa hiyo t-shirt. Inaitwa aje? SHOFCO, ladies and gentlemen, is shining hope for the communities. They give hope and they uplift communities from all over the country. The semi-urban centers, the ghetto regions, they give hope from various categories. They have the SHOFCO Urban Network. Thank you so much. Wow. Now, I just want you to, okay, please have it, bring it on. Wangapi walimiss t-shirt wakiingia? Wangapi walimiss t-shirt wakiingia? Wangapi walimiss wakiingia? Now, zimeisha? Karibu niseme wameisha. Thank you so much. I need a lady to help me distribute these things. Hey, and you have been married for 12 years. Nani? All right. Ndio mnyang'anye. So, ladies and gentlemen, hold it, relax. Ladies and gentlemen, Shining Hope for the Communities gives a lot of services. They have what we call the SHOFCO SACCO. SHOFCO SACCO, you can register and save and get a loan 3 times what you have saved. They also have what we call SHOFCO Urban Network that has a supportive program for TVETs. Kama kuna mtu aliacha shuleni class 8, form 4 na wana namna, you can apply through SHOFCO Urban Network and join the TVETs institutions. You can also join SHOFCO for soft loans and health services and education as well. They give you a variety of services, and this is something that was started by a Luo called Dr. Kennedy Odede. Let's appreciate him, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Kennedy Odede, ladies and gentlemen, went and studied in the US, and when he came back, he said he will not leave people to suffer. Right now, he is sponsoring over 600 students in the US. Let's appreciate him, ladies and gentlemen. Si masomo ni mzuri. So I want to give this. Yes? Aya, ati? Vin, please come. Can you take this bunch and help me distribute? Genge nyokunya tiekoge. There's this lady who has been attending all the 8 shows of Onagi Show. Tukiwa Siaya, tukiwa Homa Bay, tukiwa Migori, tukiwa wapi. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to appreciate her with one t-shirt in a special way. She's called GD. Can you have this, please? All right, Mr. Papa J.